Hi there, and welcome to my channel. My name is Jake, and today we're going to be talking about the world of gaming and why blockchain games might just be the future for players. First of all, let's talk about what exactly a blockchain game even is. In the simplest terms, a blockchain game is a game that uses blockchain technology to store and verify its game data. This means that instead of storing the data on a central server like traditional games do, blockchain games store the data on a decentralized network of computers, which allows them to be more secure and transparent and decentralized, improving the game experience. But why would you want to play a game on the blockchain over a traditional game? Well, there's actually quite a few reasons. For starters, blockchain games are typically more secure because of the decentralized nature of their data storage. This means that your in-game progress and in-game assets are less likely to be lost or stolen, giving you peace of mind as a player. Another advantage of blockchain games is that they often offer greater ownership and control of your in-game assets. In traditional games, the developers often retain ownership of your in-game items, which means you don't really have control over them. But with blockchain games, you can often buy, sell, and trade your in-game assets using cryptocurrency, giving you more control over your virtual property. Another reason why blockchain games are better for players is that they often offer more opportunities for earning real-world value. In traditional games, you might earn virtual currency or rewards, but these have no inherent value outside the game. With blockchain games, however, you can often earn cryptocurrency through in-game activities, which can then be converted into real-world value if you wish. This opens up new opportunities for players to earn money from their gaming activities. But perhaps the biggest advantage of blockchain games is that they allow for more transparent and fair gameplay. In traditional games, the developers have complete control over the game mechanics and rules, which can sometimes lead to unfair advantages for certain players. With blockchain games, however, the rules and mechanics are often recorded on the blockchain, which makes them transparent and verifiable. This means that everyone has a fair chance to win, and there's no room for cheating or unfairness. Overall, blockchain games offer a number of benefits for players, including great security, ownership, and earnings potential, as well as more transparent and fair gameplay. As the technology continues to advance, we can expect to see more and more exciting blockchain games hitting the market, offering players a whole new world of gaming possibilities. So if you're a gamer looking for a more secure, transparent, and fair gaming experience, then definitely check out some of the blockchain games that are available today and that we talk about on this channel all the time. Who knows, you might just find your new favorite game. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one. Now, what you guys don't know is that this whole video that I just recorded was a script that I got from a prompt. I was just here on ChatGPT and I was like, write a 1,000 word YouTube script in the style of MKBHD about why blockchain games are better for players than traditional games. And that is the video that you just got, was the answer that I just read for you right there for this video. And yeah, guys, I've honestly been having an existential crisis about artificial intelligence and ChatGPT and AI, and just like, if this is the AI that is like released to the public, what do these companies actually have behind the scenes? Like, I feel like the whole world just changed and no one realizes it yet. And all these technologies that are coming together, like, this is not just image generation. Like, AI is going to be able to generate a video of itself. It's going to be able to literally talk to you. We're not going to have to do a chat interface. It's going to be able to do audio interface. Like, what Google has had as far as like an assistant that books appointments and stuff for you for like 4 years, all the stuff that just like isn't getting released to the public. Oh my gosh. Like, we have to think about AI as something that's going to enhance our own abilities, not something that's going to replace us. Because if Google wants, they can easily 2-3 years from now, max, they can easily create all of the best influencers that they want, that say all of the exact things that they want, have better humor and jokes than all of the current YouTubers that exist, are very relatable. Well, they'll tell stories, they'll explain things in magnificent ways, they'll just draw these word pictures that blow your mind. They're going to be entertaining. Their cuts are going to be so good. Like they're going to take you on journeys and adventures. They're going to compete with every single. They're going to. I mean, once we just when humans create an actual intelligent machine, it's the last thing that we ever have to make. And what is life after that? I don't know. I'm a futurist, guys, so I'm thinking about the future all the time, and it's why I created this channel, because I'm excited about what blockchain gaming means for the whole gaming industry. I'm excited about how the kind of like the digital world is getting its own means of verifying ownership. Like that's a really exciting, big innovation and improvement, but I can't help but think that AI is just so much even bigger than that. Like, and AI is going to impact gaming even more as well. Like having artificially intelligent NPCs, non-player characters, like they're not even really, they shouldn't even be called non-player anymore. Like they are going to be player characters that they can learn and grow and improve. And who knows, maybe even become adventurers of their own. I don't know. The world is just changing and it's very frightful. Over the past 5 days, I literally decided to do some writing because I've had like these worlds that I've wanted to create, but I just haven't had the time to do the writing. And after talking with ChatGPT and having it do some like creative writing, just playing around a little bit, I was like, wow, I need to take advantage of this. I cannot believe this is free. And literally I created, like, if you put it into audio form, it's like a whole 8 to 10 hour audiobook, depending on how fast you have the AI chat voice reading. But at normal speed, it's like a full audio book worth of just like world building that I've been doing with ChatGPT's help, where I'm like narrating and kind of creating the world, but I'm not. I'm coming up with the ideas, and ChatGPT is like actually transcribing them, but doing it in a really good like college writing level that's like really decent and doesn't even need that much improvements. And I can have them rewrite stuff and change stuff and like do different things with different paragraphs and like change perspectives and like dive deeper into certain characters' emotions. And it's absolutely wild, to be honest, guys. So I've been blown away that I did like probably a normal writer. It would like a whole year's worth of work over a single week with ChatGPT. And I'm just like, everything's different, and I don't know what the right move is. Like I function really well if I have like a very clear goal and I've really analyzed everything around it and all of the opportunity costs that I'm giving up, and in spite of that, just really believe that this is worthwhile to pursue. Like that is when I thrive the best. And right now I don't feel like that. I feel like there are people coming up with multi-million, 100 billion, multi-trillion dollar ideas potentially right now. Even just like integrating ChatGPT API into their own programs. You can literally do every single thing. I don't even know if I should be saying this because I feel like it's such an advantage, but all YouTubers are going to figure this out eventually. But every single aspect of creating a YouTube video now, except for actually sitting in front of the camera and recording, including the tags, descriptions, titles, thumbnail, all of that can be done by AI now. You really don't need to do anything. So I don't know. It's just crazy. This is bigger than the internet, it feels like. And I'm just really starting to try and wrap my head around what it might mean. So that's enough of my rambling, guys. Thanks for watching. For those of you who stuck around for the post video, remember to drop those thumbs up, and thanks for being subscribed, and I'll see y'all in the next one.